Good, everybody? It's H back with another 12 Hub TV episode. I'm doing it again, man. I've took a break from some Yeezys, 350s. I'm almost done with 350s, and what's funny about it is I was pretty much done, and then all of a sudden they put out some dope colorways, and I just ignored those drops, and they're I'm not have them. But anyway, 350s kind of look funny on my feet, so I don't care. 380s are my babies, and a lot of people don't like 380s. I have no clue why. It's one of the few sock-like shoes with the sock upper that I feel is wearable out there. They're very cozy. They fit true to size, and they're not as outlandish as some other shoes that Yeezy puts out or whatever. But long story short, I went in ahead and copped another 380. This is a 380 Covellite. Yeah, Covellite. Let's go. So, the 380 Covellite. It is another mineral shoe by Mr. West and team at Adidas, Yeezy Boost, whatever. And they dropped this one pretty much widespread. So I think the logic in some of these drops is that they want people to get the shoe and have it readily accessible. This dropped at Foot Locker, Finish Line, every boutique. It dropped later on regular Adidas and Adidas Confirmed and all types of just random places. It just dropped like a general release almost. Pretty much, no, it was very much a general release. I swear, I think this was a Dick's Sporting Goods for some reason. But yeah, it was all over the place. I ended up copying. I didn't know. It just dropped out of nowhere. I wasn't really paying attention to it. It dropped on March 15th, and I wasn't really paying attention. And then all these links started popping up for it at Foot Locker, Champs. So ended up copping off of Champs. I just put the thing in and ordered it. And Champs has always been good to me. There's local ones that tend to ship out quick around here. So I ended up getting it off of Champs, and they showed up today. Only about 3 days later. So 3 days shipping. Right, I'm not going to go into all the details like I usually do. Actually, look, here's the box. There you go. For you box people who like to see the box, Covellite, size 12, 380, whatever. Extra laces. This has been a steady trend with these guys here, which is, a new thing. Not necessarily a new thing, but they give you regular laces. The shoe comes standard with black laces, okay? Learn to love it. I'm not going to pull these out because it's just going to be a mess. I don't feel like dealing with a mess right now. So black laces, these are the standard laces. Now they have the pull tab, pull laces, whatever. So let me pull these all out. The reason I got these now, I missed 2 drops of Yeezy 380s that I didn't really care for. I forgot their names. I'll flash their pictures here if I can find them. So just check those out. Those are the only 2 I missed. Every other one I've copped, from the mist to the halo glows to the white ones, the blue oat, even the freaking blue oat, which I wear actually more than my Yeezy Mist. So the blue oats are pretty dope. But at the end of the day, it's a different type of shoe. It's not the shoe for everybody, I'm hearing. But they do crazy color blocking on these. That's almost stupid in a sense, right? Like, I don't know. I try to figure out why they always putting gum soles, brown gum soles on uppers that don't make sense. So this particular one, here it is, kind of works, right? I wouldn't mind seeing a black sole in this, to be real with you. This would work with a black sole, but they put the gum sole and it doesn't look bad at all. It's blue. It's like a bluish, I guess Covellite is like a bluish color, and if you look at it here, you got the blue hints, and this looks kind of greenish in the camera, like this right here, like a this right here. Yeah, it kind of looks bluish. I mean greenish, but it's not. It's like a dark gray almost. And front here, I actually prefer these the pull lace because I don't tighten them up. I just wear them loose. Again, they fit true to size. They break in pretty easily. After 2 or 3 wears, they will loosen up on you and feel good. Immaculately built. All of these. Look, got your tab here. They do a really good job. Not many glue stains on these bad boys, as you can see. just a really, really, really clean shoe to me. Reason I wear them so much, and I told, you know, I made a whole video about reselling these, and the reason why I think there's resale value in these, because shoes like this, shoes like those ISPAs, and I keep reiterating this, are going to be the wave. And a lot of people just don't understand what that means because they're too stuck on wearing Jordan 1s and 3s and buying whatever else is hot, whatever they claim to be hot, whatever new Nike's hot or whatever. These things in particular, there's so many on the market now. A lot of resellers hold them and all that type of stuff, but wait till you catch a celeb just wearing these basic or doing whatever. Like, these are great. Super soft Boost right here, which is amazing. The Boost, you know, I'm becoming more and more of a Boost guy. These right here, man, total must cop if you like different, interesting, chill vibes. These are the wave. I tell you, I would not mislead you on that. They're cozy. They got nice traction. They fit well. Wide foot, friendly. Awesome shoe. The Boost is so soft. Like, I'm pushing this Boost and I feel it all the way through. Pause. And this is great. So yeah, long story short, copy these if you can. I am, if you can get them on discount, which you probably can. I mean, they're sitting at a lot of places right now. So definitely try to get you a pair if you can, if you're interested. But the whole construction of this and the patterns and all that stuff, they're great. And I love this shoe, this silhouette. And I'm holding a bunch of pairs. I don't double up on these. I just buy one. They're all personals, but they're all going to be rocked someday or another. So yeah, that's all I got for y'all. Like, subscribe, tell me what you think. We're about to drop that podcast with Nicholas F in a couple days. I still have to edit. I think I'm gonna get to editing that over the weekend. Get at me in the comments. Tell me what shoes you want me to look at. I got some dope ones coming in. I'm doing a little later review of a shoe that was pretty hyped up a couple of weeks ago. Took me a while to get a pair. Not necessarily that I was after a pair. It just kind of took me a while to get a pair. But you'll see it next week. I'll do on feet and everything for y'all because I'm very curious to see if this shoe is wide foot friendly. But yeah, give me a shout in the comments again. Like, subscribe, and big up to everybody out there who has been supporting since day one. Alright, talk to y'all soon. This is H and I'm out. Peace.